tayo pa, nakababa na tayo sa mula sa mountain, and then you can see different souvenir shops. Ang daming tao, grabe. T-shirts, different kind of t-shirts, sweatshirts, keychain, fridge magnet, a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff you can buy here. And syempre, like I said earlier, snacks, food, everything. Here, mga goods and stuff, mga memorabilias you can buy here as well. Oh wow, ang sarap maglakad here kasi you can see everything, you see? Right? Everything's open. Earlier it was, you know, most of it are closed. Ayan, oh. Daming tao. Oh, if you want some sunglasses, hats, shimmers, strollers, here, you can buy it here. Oh, wow. Ito yung kanina pinipilahan na, na pancake pantry. Wala ng tao ngayon, siguro dahil nga breakfast sila, best in breakfast. Oh, yan, pancake pantry. And then there's like always smoke candy kitchen. Yan siya sabi ng wife ko. See? A lot of people here, no? So traffic pala talaga pagka mga ganitong oras. Picture mo ako dito, ano? Maganda mga, ayan talaga. Luxury car yan, Lamborghini. See? Ayo. Ganda, exotic car displays.
All inside.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, see, look at this car. Oh, wow. This is nice. Oh, picture mo ako dito. Please do not touch cars, but I'm gonna take a picture only. It's already 4:45 in the evening, yeah. Mas lalong umingay ang lugar na to.
And also, I've been watching tablet for 1 hour.
Oh yeah, very good. Good for you. So mas lalong umingay yung lugar. At the lights is starting to light up. Mas marami taong tao. Johan, there are ducks. See? There are ducks there. Oh. So mas lalong umingay. Ang mga ilaw umu-open na. And then saan kaya tayo dadalhin ni Mami? Ano na?
Moses Cantina.
Ano sa kantina? Ayan. Let's go, Johan. Come on. Ayan, ang dami mga family, different kinds of families. Mga kids. And they're so loving it. Here in Anakista, here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So, dyan tayo kaling kanina. Imagine, hindi mo na kailangan mag-parking pala. Oh, those are ducks playing there. Imagine, you don't need to park, Han. Anakista is here, right here.
Yes.
Meron ditong mga Ripley's Aquarium. There. O, diba? Dahil napuntahan, no? And Mexican food to, Mexican food. Diyan ko sa nga pala kanina, Han.
Yeah, we have 1
Han.
hour. Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, sure. Han, go. Meron pala kanina.
Huh?
Diba? The police went here in this side. We thought there's something going on. But the thing is that, what happened is that there is a big bear, black bear, stuck on that roof. Sa Baba Gump restaurant, there's a big black bear stuck on the roof. That's why police came in fast just to recover it. Kasi nag-update din yung Facebook natin, no? All the news here in Tennessee, yeah. All in Tennessee here are like nakikita natin what's happening around. We're heading ngayon sa ating sa ating dinner spot. Oh, there's a cute parrot there. That's nice. So we're heading to our dinner spot. Open. Diba background niya, mountain.
Ganyan sila, yung Jason Aldean's.
Oh, sige, mo na. Hindi mo naman. Oh, sige, let's go. Saan yun? Ah, dito. Dito, Han. Dito na pala tayo. Yan, no? North China Restaurant. Yan, we miss rice. Yeah. So, try natin ito. Masarap dito, for sure. Okay. For sure, masarap dito mga food nila, no? Let's see. So, how's your food, guys? Joanne, how was it? How was it? Good?
Masarap.
How was it? Masarap? Oh, sige, ano pa? Kahit dalawa pa yan.
Sir?
Yan, mga napakain na tayo. Ano, we have a beef, Mongolian beef. Then we have a kung pao chicken. Okay.
Nice.
And fried rice. Spoon. Then fried rice. And then, yan. So Han, naka-find out tayo Han. Napaka-busy sa labas, diba? Pero naka-find out tayo ng restaurant na wala masyadong tao kasi nasa loob siya, no? At then mura pa. Masarap, no? The best. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Yeah. Ayan, ha, Nico. Another activity for this evening. Ngayon, open na ngayon ang mga ilaw, Han, dito sa Tennessee. And there's a lot of lights. See? So we need to go here. No, not yet, Han. You're in the yellow. Means it's warning. So yan, no, nag-iiba-iba pala kulay. Oh, see, the Christmas tree is changing.
Mamaya na tayo magpa-picture
Go to
dyan. Tsaka dyan sa...
Mom, go near to the
Ang ganda, oh. Ito na itsura niya mga repang mga mouse pagkagabi. Napaka mailaw niya na.
ilaw.
Ang dami ng mga pailaw ni ano ng ano to, ng kahabaan ng ano to. Kung ano man to. Ano ba to? Gatlinburg. Yan. Downtown. There you go. There's my team. Let's go team. I'll go. Ayan. Ang lamig ah. Doon pa naman ako sa part na yung mga hangin lumalabas. And then, ano, ay, wow, very beautiful here. Can I go pee first? I will pee first. I know.
I just saw grapes.
Nahihiya ko. Ang lamig eh. Ang ganda ng overlooking, no? Pagkababa nyo sa Ridge Rambler na bus ride, ito ang bubungad sa inyo mga repa. Colorful lights, okay? Different colorful lights. So, wala pa tayo sa pinaka main place we're in Illumina. Sabi nga ni Mami, nasa bungad pa lang tayo. Right, Jaden? How about you, Johan? Excited for the wonderful lights?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Ayun, Australia Lumina. Diyan tayo pupunta. Sa tinatawag na Astra Lumina. Yan. We will go there. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dyan. Ano itong Astra Lumina? Per season lang to?
I think so. Not sure.
Pero how much siya per head?
Per head is
16 din.
16 point something.
Ganun din sa bata?
Oo, pare-parehas.
Okay. Tingnan nyo mga repa, wala pang Astra Lumina, maganda sa labas, di ba? So for sure, may ibang pakulutuhan, no?
Meron.
Kasi ito lang yung daan, no? Hindi lahat nakakapunta, eh. Yun nga lang pala, Han, ma-add ko lang pala. If you are going here, or coming here in Tennessee, make sure may dala kayong cash.
Yes.
Kasi bakit, Han?
Kasi merong mga kainan na cash lang ang tinatanggap.
Yeah, cash basis.
Like yung kinainan namin Chinese restaurant kanina, cash lang siya. Tapos yung pinakasikat na donut dito na masarap, yung tawag nila donut 3R,
Oh.
cash lang din.
Oh, so dapat talaga meron, no?
Ayan na yung dadyang story.
Oh, see, oh. Welcome, stargazers, to an extraordinary place. Oh, starlight. May pausok pa si Mayor. Ito mga repa, oh. Pag may ubo ka, oh, pwede ka magpausok dito, Han. Tanggal yung ubo mo talaga, eh. Ito yung sunod. These are the fallen stars. Ang ganda. Oh. Nandito tayo sa gitna ng stardust lights.
Hi, Daddy. Gawan mo ako ng slow mo dito.
Sige. Tama.
itong maliwanag.
Oo nga. Hindi, okay yan. Maliwanag sa'yo eh.
Hindi.
These are solar waves naman.
Why is Tennessee so beautiful?
I don't know. Dito maganda ka slow mo. Ah. Sure, go ahead. Ito na siya, mas maganda to dito, maliwanag.
Feeling ka kailangan natin umakyat ulit doon.
Saan, there? Bakit?
It's our first adventure.
Okay. Go. Ito na yung tsura niya sa taas talaga, mga ang dami talaga niya mga lights. At open pa rin siyempre yung kanyang nilaroan ng kambal, no? So hindi masyadong malamig ngayon, no? Ito, stage to. Kasi mag-perform dito. I don't know kung mag-perform. Let's see. Hindi ko alam kung anong schedule for tonight eh. Kahit all day long kayo itong pamilya, hindi maboboring ang mga chikiting nyo, mga repa, mga moms. Instead, talaga mag-i-enjoy sila. Imagine, from morning up to now, there's a lot of kids na naglalaro. At bukas pa rin ang kanilang kids playpen. Ano?
Yes.
Diba?
Talagang gusto nila yun eh.
Diba?
I told them, wag na mag-slides.
Yeah, malayo pa yun, no? Mahirap na.
Mahirap na.
Akit pa. Alam mo bahan of my blank years old. This is the best birthday spent ever. Walang halang biro. Kasi siguro I'm so thankful, grateful, blessed talaga na God will allow me to have this kind of blessing. Together with my family, and then with this wonderful state and the wonderful place na ganito. Sobra, no? So thank you talaga, Han, for planning this one. Kasi mga moms, I don't have any plan. Simple lang, sana gupo lang kami. O kakain lang kami sa
Virginia Beach lang gusto.
Virginia Beach, just stay a hotel, right? So yeah, like I said, no, I want to have more of this, spending with quality time with my family, with my kids. Imagine, kaya naman tayo mga parent ay nag-strive, di ba? Nag-strive harder because what? It's not for us anymore. It's for them, di ba? Para sa ganon, di ba? Of all those years na hardship na ating mga parents, kasi hindi nila kailangan gawin. So that's why I always praying to God na thank you talaga. I'm so kagabi talaga sobrang thankful ako, nakita ko itong lugar na to at dito ako mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. At blessed ako, I'm with my family. So yan, at syempre sa family ko rin. Yan, I'll always pray and always dream for a better future. We're striving, we're praying, always prayers lang. Imagine who have thought na dito kami ngayon sa US and beyond blessed of all this, of all these things. Diba?
Naalala ko na parang 3 years or 4 years ago, nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo sa Paresan.
Saan? Paresan, yeah. Paresan, yeah.
Yung Paresan dun sa kanto.
Pampanga. But now here, no?
But now here, by the grace of God,
diba?
nandito kami ngayon sa mga ganitong magaganda. We are really thankful.
And yun nga, habang nakikita ko sila Jaden, they're like amazed sa ganda nito, no? They said, wow, why Tennessee is beautiful. So yun lang, masyado tayong dramatic. Ang ganda-ganda naman lugar. Alright. I love you, honey.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ayan, time naman for souvenirs. Let's see. Especially keychain. Souvenirs dito. Yeah.
Oh, that Lego.
That's a Lego, right? That's a Lego. We got socks. Ano, socks, huh? And
Lego, but at the Tennessee.
Great Smoky.
You say so?
Ano yan? Ano to? Yeah, ganda. I'd buy that one. At least you have a ref magnet. Or maybe there's some more there. I think I want to buy ano.
Tennessee!
Cup. Let's see.
Hindi, mas gusto ko ata na yung tennis yan na
May mga bracelets, different kind of stones. Ano? Mga jewelries. Ano, look, Han. You like this? Like elements? And also, ano, some names. Ano ko? Different names. Ito, si Willow na naman.
He is not Bobo.
Si Willow na naman. Nandito na naman. Gabing-gabi. Parang walang tao, no? Yan na ba ba? Dito pala. Dito tayo daan. Oo, yan, oh. Han, dito ka. Lakad ka. Sarapan. Di ba? Dadaan sa ano? Dimension, Han. Beautiful. Ganda, oh. Top view.
This one and that one.
Mga repa, this is the view here. Lapitan natin.
This is the view at night.
Parang runway yung mahaba na yun, no? Tapos tingnan mo dito, oh. Wow. Beautiful, right? And that's the overlooking of the city. Napakaliwanag, di ba? Ang layo sa Virginia yan, eh. Dito, puro lights. Puro lights talaga. All lights. That's how colorful it is. The whole city of Gatlinburg. Mga repa, napalabas na tayo ng Anarkista. Yan. Natapos na rin natin yung ating, ano ba tawag doon? Illuminati, ano? Astral Illuminate. So ito, babalik na tayo ulit sa ano, sa downtown. We're gonna use a bus or a gondola? Bus, okay. Let's take a bus. Yeah. Okay na, di ba? So take a bus. It's okay. Kaysa mamaya. Let's go.
There's too many people now.
Mga repa, pauwi na kami.
Ang dilim na phone.
Ang dilim na ng phone natin, no? Doon lang tayo mag-video sa baba, no? Oh, nandito kami ngayon sa ano, gondola, ay sa ano, sa chairlift. Pakita namin sa iyo, ha? Sa amin niya, sa inyo. Ayan, ito ang view natin. Madilim na. Yung nga lang, medyo malayo ito. Ayan na, city lights, di ba? Di ba, Han, no? City lights, no? Medyo malayo nga lang ito, Han. Wow.
What ropes is that?
That's a cable rope. Here we go. Ito na, malapit na.
I see.
We're here. Ayan o, nakikita ko si Jaden. So ayan, punta tayo dito. Parang, there are a lot of arcades, right?
Are we gonna play here or not?
No. Don't watch it. Just watch it. Mayroon din mga arcade dito that the kids can play on. Tapos may mga prizes na sila makukuha. This is nice. Let's go here. Come on, Jaden. Sorry, excuse me. Yan, meron pa sa taas, oh. Yan, look. Oh, may mga prizes na, ano, tools. Squishy. And tickets. Rides. Coins. Look. There's a lot, right? Nakita pa namin dito ni Jaden si our president, Donald Trump. Who's that?
Donald Trump.
Ayun, mga repa, oh. Nagutom ang Team Liberal. So bukas pa rin yung mga snacks, sabi ko nga sa inyo, eh.
Sakto.
Bakit?
Hindi natin nagsara na siya.
Oo, last na kami pa, ano.
Sabi niya, isave daw natin yung cup. Bukas pwede magpa-refill ulit.
Talaga? Okay, tama-tama kasi bukas pupunta pa tayo dyan, di ba?
The next day.
Good morning.
We just wake up so early, you know.
Yeah, we woke up early.
Turn right toward Great
And then,
Smoky Mountains Parkway.
Kasi we were going to the famous donut shop here. Oh, the bear took out the garbage there.
A bear.
Where?
There's a.
Turn
Yes,
left
a
onto
bear
Great
just
Smoky
took
Mountains
a
Parkway.
garbage.
Yeah, the bear took out the garbage there. See? Let's be careful. Maybe there's a bear here. Let's be careful. See? So, yun nga, no? Pupunta tayo sa isang sikat na donut shop here. Dito sa, sa Gatlinburg. There's a famous donut shop here called Friar Donut. So, we'll go there mga repa, kaya tayo nagising ng maaga. And also, syempre, this is the last day of our trip. So, enjoy na naman. Tsaka sulitin na namin ngayon talaga. Si John kasi gising na pero he wants to stay with his mom, right? So ngayon kami dito. Are you excited to have the famous donut here?
Yes.
Good, let's go. Good morning, snowman. Welcome to Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
Lamig. Too cold.
Continue on to Parkway.
I can still see the lights.
There's no people outside. Look, only me and Jaden, me and my son. We are exploring the place.
Even you can get the donuts.
To get the donuts. Nakita na natin, no? Yung donut fryer here. Ito siya, oh. The donut fryer. Ayan na, ito yung famous, oh. Famous dito na, donut place. See? The donut fryer, nak. Let's see what's inside, nak. Ay, mga repo, cash only basis dito. So, you should come here cash.
Oh.
Yeah. Go, straight. Let's pick some donuts. Ah, yeah, there's some donuts here. Jaden, here. Stay here.
Morning, buddy.
Good morning. Right straight. Are you ready for work? He's ready for work.
Buddy,
He's ready for work.
Here, he's clocking in. Here we go. There you go.
Thank you. All right. Wow. Wow, because you want to clock in, yeah?
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Then say thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Buti na lang at napunta kami ng maaga at kami ang unang customer. At
And also,
kulang
so
pa.
the producer, if I just go to producer's work and then the producer give me a free donut.
Yeah. So, kulang kami ng how much?
Can you show that video in Joan?
Yeah, I didn't catch. Yeah, I'll show that. Kulang kami ng ng $6. Pero pumayag pa rin siya. Balik ko na lang doon. Kaso wala akong ATM talaga eh. Tingnan natin, no? Sige. Pakabait nila dito. Yan, no? Ang sarap nito. Yan, nakabili tayo ng ating fire donut. May hot chocolate pa tayo, see? Bumalik tayo na pa sa Brother Fryer kasi may kulang tayong $5.67. So, yeah, good thing. I just remembered that I brought my debit card. I thought I forgot it in the apartment. So yun, nakapag-check out na tayo. Nakapag-check out tayo sa ating hotelhan. Ang ganda ng hotelhan, promise. It's a good place. It got a good place to stay kasi ang lapit sa mga amenities. Yan, bago tayo syempre magpaalam kay Tennessee, isa pa tayong rounds na ikot. Can we ride that one just for experience lang? I don't know. Is that free? Kasi meron kasi siyang mga bus na ganyan, no? I don't know if it's free. Yeah? Yan, ibang outfit na naman tayo, mga repa, mga moms. Siyempre, no? Hindi masyado mahirap ngayon, kaya hanggang na pumorma ngayon. Yung mga kiddos.
Punta tayong moonshine.
Moonshine? Ano meron doon?
Mga full tasting drinks.
Pero ano ba doon? Matakbo ka malayo.
Hindi, malapit lang.
Ah, sige. Let's go. Dito naman tayo sa other side of the street naman. Itong avenue na to. Where you can find like jewelries. Different kind of jewelries. And maganda na naman ang panahon, mga kaibigan. Beautiful day. Oh, may nag-fishing. There's someone fishing there. Here, there's someone fishing there. Hello. What kind of fish you can get there? What kind of fish you can get there?
Sorry.
What kind of fish you can get there?
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Oh, really?
Rainbow trout.
Ayun ang mga free trolleys. Pwede siyang sakyan eh. Kaso, di ba kami na-experience yung masakyan ng mga ganang trolleys. There's another angler there. Ayan, nakakatawa. Ito yung replace, oh. Kaso nga lang daw, wala daw masyado kasi makikita sa loob. Parang aquarium lang. And then, if you are fond of free wine tasting, you can come here in Smoking Banjo. Yeah, there's a lot of free tasting there inside.
Chocolate monkey.
There's a best of best of Smokies. I don't know. Exploring,
Chocolate.
Go inside.
Chocolate saan?
There's sa loob lang. Lazy one. Oh, there's a bear. There's a big bear. See? Please don't punch or climb. Will not punch you. Okay. Cool, right? Different shirts here. Parang mga siya, PJs, ha? PJ something. Okay, there's a master studio wherein you can ride that horse, little horse.
I want to see what is it. I think here.
Go. Take a picture there. Okay, ready. I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Not nice.
Okay, come on. Meron dito, God's Corner. So, maganda to. Let's see what memorabilia they have here. Different kinds of memorabilia for... Oh, ganda nito, ano? Can I have this one, ano? I like this one.
What's this?
Or maybe this one. Parang pako. Diba? Ito naman, different decorations naman dito sa bahay. Different decorations of different occasions. What's that? Ano tawag dyan? Chime. It's a chime, glass chime. Ito naman for the grass. Here they have different birchstone rings here. And of course pendants. And rings. Parang puro pang pang babae lang siya. Walang pang lalaki. Hindi na tayo makakapunta doon mga repa. Dito next time na lang natin balikan yan. Para next year meron pa tayong mabalikan. That's yung parang yan yung hanging bridge. Tapos yung tatapakan mo is transparent. So medyo scary yan, no? Hindi na kasi medyo late na tayo. So we're just like pinupuntahan lang natin itong kahabaan ng avenue na to just to explore what are the meron pa, kung ano pa meron lang dito. Trump Superstore MAGA. Chocolate monkey. Yung guys sila mami, kumukuha lang sila ng drinks kasi meron kaming na-find out dito na drinks wherein you can take more drinks as long as meron kang cup. O, di ba? That's a good one. Ayan ayan man. Diba sa Adbahan yan yun kagabi? You can take drinks as long as the cup is with
No. You will pay $1.75 for refill.
Ganun ba? Okay, so at least 1.75.
Dad, the chocolate monkeys is downstairs and the Trump Superstore MAGA is upstairs.
Yeah, let's go na. Turn this, you should put in, then you can collect all four.
I want penny.
I don't have penny with me.
Oh.
I don't have cash. Come on guys. Come inside. See, another memorabilia here. Gusto na yung Mama Peding tong mga style na to, si Mama Peding. Yung mga style na yan, gusto niya. Diba? Mga colored shirts. Good morning. Those are what? What's this one? Ano nga ba magnet na han?
Look at this, baby.
Baby bears. Baby bears. So you can find different rings from women to men. So yeah, I'm looking for one. Okay. So nakapili na tayo. So I think I'll go with the number 98.
98?
Yeah, the first one. So here, you can see turkey legs. We'll buy only one. We can buy turkey legs here. See, those are turkey legs. I'm so glad that we got turkey legs here. I'm looking for one since Saturday.
I can see some chicken tenders there.
Mga repa, no? Hindi ako gutom eh, pero when we saw a turkey legs here, what's shop? This is Mayfield something. So we saw a picture of turkey legs, then we go straight away, and yeah, it really invigorates me whenever I see a turkey leg. So hindi ko naman pinakawalan to, of course. Do you have napkin? All right, thank you. Yan. This is the meat for the big guys. Yeah, turkey legs. Tayo natin mga repa, no? Sarap.
Oh!
Tayo natin mga repa yung ating turkey legs. So big. See? Laki oh. Kasi laki ng mukha ko, diba? Kaya rin. Unang bite. Flavorful. Ang lambot niya. How much is this?
$17.99.
$17.99 for this big, gigantic
You have
turkey legs. Yan.
Ay, hindi kita na-picture.
Ito, zero.
Okay, pero picture mo kita. Ayan na siya. Magdala siya ng paborito
Big, gigantic turkey legs. Hindi ako gutom, pero nagutom ako. Oh, wow, big flag.
For water.
Good.
niya. Yummy! Turkey!
Pinit. Kala ko na nag-crave dito eh. Lambot. Kompleto na ang aking Tennessee adventure. Dahil sa turkey legs, no? Na kompleto. So yun, no? Dahil nag-crave na naman ang asawa ko sa ice cream. Chocolate milk na hindi green. Mahilig siya sa mint. Masarap na mint talaga. Halika, balik na tayo doon sa parking natin. So ayan.
If you touch me, I get that.
Mahirap man tanggapin pero we need to go back
No, the water
to
bottle.
Virginia, syempre, no? Dahil
No, you're the hands.
sabi nga pag masaya ka, mabilis nga dumaan ang oras eh, no?
No,
Which is
the
totoo
bottle.
naman. And hindi nakakasawa tingnan talaga yan, no? Yung mga lugar na yan, di ba? See? Oh, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
That doesn't
And,
count because I accidentally hit it.
And then we're gonna hit our road trip again for 7 hours, right? So, but it's lang, a chill ride lang. It's only one. So most likely makauwi tayo doon mga 9, 10 p.m.
Nothing happened.
So yun mga repa, mga moms, no? That's it, Han.
Yep.
Okay, ready to go back home in Virginia, ha? Jane and Johan. Okay, that's it for our vlog for
And we haven't
here.
seen bears and tornadoes.
Yeah.
I heard Tennessee has bears and tornadoes,
But-
but we haven't seen one.
Yeah. But anyway, we got a good trip here. We got a good adventure, and yeah, we're gonna go back here next year, hopefully. And that's all for today and for our content
I
here.
remember, I just
Yes.
think of Diamond Vineyard just from 2008.
Yeah, pwede daw na. Okay, watch na to. Okay, let's say bye-bye na. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy our Tennessee adventure here in Gatlinburg. And yeah, And if you have a question, just put in the comment and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching our channel. Hanggang dyan na lang po. Ingat po kayo everyone. Team Liberals is saying goodbye and thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
God bless. God bless.
Bye-bye.